This is very amazing, very beautiful today on the 12th of July 2003. We were really lucky here.
Yeah.
Really lucky, it was completely impossible. It's today on the 12th of July 2003 here. And this is Katajanokka Katusgatan 1 and Kauppiaankatu Japansgatan 7. Staircase A here in Katajanokka's Gate under Helsinki as for Uusimaa in Finland. And staircase B here is at Riga from 1934, while this one was built in 1930 as Emperor's H1383, going to be inspected in 2024, the next year. It's going to be 95 years old in 2021. There's extra rights for 5 floors here.
Yeah.
The building dates back to 1903. Here it was added in 1930, staircase B in 1934 by Riga.
Yeah.
So you have to watch the staircase B as well. As we should finish here, as it should be. And it's a tiny one for just 2 purchases, 160 grams. Well, let's take 3 rides here. Switch on the lines here.
Yeah.
Oops. Yeah. Wow, it says 183 kilograms. Instructions say the both official languages in Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Just as it should be. I love the smell in here.
Same.
And the staircase is really beautiful.
Yeah.
One of the best in Helsingfors.
Mm.
And B is really beautiful too.
Yeah.
With that Riga.
Mm. Inspected by Kauppiaankatu, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a look at the panel on the back. So thank you very much for watching. This canvas is really beautiful too.
Yeah.
And from a rare year, 1930.
Yeah.